So this is how the bees feed with those little feeders. Now granted, I don't have my bees yet, but these are just wild bees that are in my yard that have found the feeders, and now you can see them crawling into the little bottom piece and getting a little bit of the sugar water out of there and just flying around. And that's where I'm going to feed when I actually close it. And this is the little landing right down here in the front. That's where the bees will land, and they'll walk in and out. It's kind of like a little landing zone for them when they're flying. Right now the whole thing's open, so they can kind of just come in through the top.